Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to enable full screen on iPhone, so let's start. So first let's scroll down on settings and let's go to the part that says apps. So here on apps, just scroll down and looking for the app phone. Okay, so let's looking for phone, and here on phone let's click, and then it's important to know that you have to have iPhone your update for 26. In my case, iOS 26 is not available yet, but in your case, if it's available, well, you will have this option. So just scroll down, and here on calls, you will have the option that says screen, a call screen on iPhone. So you have it, and you have to activate it. In case that you don't have it, it's because your iPhone don't have the last update. So on this update is only for the people who has the 26 iOS. So guys, well, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.